Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's especially important for parents, ADHD and procrastination. It's a subject that affects many families, and understanding it can make a huge difference. Why do people with ADHD procrastinate? It's a question that puzzles many, but the answer lies deep within the brain's wiring. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about attention. Attention is the foundation of our ability to start and complete tasks. For people with ADHD, paying attention can be like trying to tune a radio with static. Imagine the frustration of trying to catch a clear signal, but only getting bits and pieces. They might start a task, but their mind keeps wandering off. It's not that they're not trying, their brains are wired differently. Next, concentration. Concentration is another hurdle. Imagine trying to focus while someone's constantly flicking a switch on and off. It's not that they're not trying, their brains are wired differently. This constant battle with focus can be exhausting. That's what it's like for someone with ADHD. They often have bursts of intense focus known as hyperfocus, but staying on track consistently is a challenge. Now let's touch on impulsivity. Impulsivity can make it hard to stick to tasks that require patience. This can make it hard to stick to tasks that require patience. If something more interesting pops up, they're likely to jump ship. Distractibility is another big one. This might look like laziness, but it's really about how their brain processes priorities. Distractibility is another big one. Picture trying to read a book in the middle of a bustling street. That's how everyday distractions can feel for someone with ADHD. Noisy environments or even minor interruptions can pull their focus away instantly. Hyperactivity adds another layer. The constant need to move or fidget can make it tough to settle down and work on something that requires stillness and concentration. It's like their body is always on the go, even when their mind wants to rest. So why aren't they motivated? The answer lies in dopamine, a neurotransmitter in the brain. People with ADHD often have lower levels of dopamine, which affects their ability to feel rewarded by completing tasks. This can make them feel relaxed and lazy, even when they want to be productive. Understanding these factors can help us support our kids better. Instead of seeing procrastination as a flaw, recognize it as a symptom of ADHD. With the right strategies and support, we can help them manage their time and tasks more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more insights on ADHD. You can check all of our videos on how ADHD manifests in adults and how to cope. ASD versus ADHD, the ultimate differentiation guide, innovative teaching methods for students with autism. See you next time.